Hello everyone! In today's lesson, we're going to explore an exciting use of the present progressive tense describing actions in pictures, films, and storytelling. Using the present progressive helps us bring scenes to life, making it feel like the action is unfolding right in front of us. Let's dive in. When we use the present progressive to describe scenes or pictures, it adds an element of immediacy and movement. Here are some reasons why this approach is so effective. Creates immediacy. The present progressive makes the action feel like it's happening now, almost like we're zooming in to see it up close. Adds a dynamic, real-time feel. Using this tense gives scenes an energetic feel. Instead of just reading about it, we feel like we're actually watching it. Captures motion and ongoing actions. The present progressive is ideal for showing movement or ongoing actions, helping to emphasize that the scene isn't static. These elements make descriptions more engaging and vivid, which is why the present progressive is so popular in captions, storytelling, and even news reporting. Let's look at some examples to see how the present progressive can make scenes come alive. In this picture, the woman is feeding the birds in the park. This brings the image to life, as if we're watching her feed the birds. The children are playing in the fountain, laughing and splashing. This gives the scene a lively feel, almost like we're standing right there. The camera follows the hero as he's climbing the mountain, describes the action dynamically, making it feel ongoing and intense. In the next scene, the character is running through a dark forest, chased by shadows. This adds suspense and movement to the narrative, making us feel like we're part of the story. The firefighters are rescuing people trapped in the building. Gives a sense of urgency, right? Making the report feel immediate. Right now, the team is competing for the championship title. This makes the event feel current and happening live. These examples show how the present progressive can bring scenes to life and create a powerful sense of now. So why does using the present progressive work so well in these descriptions? Here's what it does. Engages the audience. Using the present progressive invites the reader or viewer to feel like they're seeing the action unfold, which makes the description more immersive. Makes static images feel alive. Even in a photograph where the action is frozen, the present progressive can make the scene feel like it's in motion. It turns a still image into an active experience. Also, it adds detail to storytelling. In storytelling, this tense, present progressive, lets writers or speakers describe the scene step by step, creating suspense and keeping the focus on what's happening. This use of the present progressive is great for pulling the audience into the moment, whether it's through a picture, a movie scene, or live commentary. Now let's compare how descriptions feel in the simple present versus the present progressive. Simple present describes actions factually, without the same sense of now. For example, she feeds the birds in the park is a simple statement without focusing on the exact moment. However, on the other hand, present progressive emphasizes real-time action, making it feel like it's happening as we describe it now. For example, she's feeding the birds in the park. This gives the impression that that this is happening right now and we're observing it directly. So the present progressive adds a layer of immediacy and emotion, while the simple present stays more factual. So using the present progressive in descriptions helps us create a vivid, clear, real-time feel for actions in photos, storytelling, and commentary. It brings static images to life, makes narratives more suspenseful, and turns descriptions into experience the audience can feel. Try using the present progressive to describe actions in your own photos or stories. You'll see how it changes the feel of your descriptions. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next video.